Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on TIA. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this breakout that is happened on this 4-hour time frame chart from this rising wedge pattern. And before that, we have already broken out this symmetrical triangle as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 5 hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few hours ago with my members, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA has formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And you can see this is our buying zone, this is our sell target zone, and below 14007 is our stop loss as well. And if I play this chart, then you can see that still this move is in play and slightly geared up. On the very next candlestick, you can see it again entered the buying zone here and slightly geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it will start another pump from here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern on 2nd of November, a few days ago. And you can see after the completion of the final leg, it was slightly moved up. And therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction. And once it will be re-enter the buying zone, then we can expect the next pump. And this was our buying zone and our sell target zone. And below $2.13 was our stop loss as well. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped down again re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice price accumulation, and then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 225%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this breakout from this symmetrical triangle. And when we were testing this previous resistance of the triangle as a support here, I was telling you that after this retest, we can expect another pump. And by the way, the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle was here. That was approximately at $2.74, but the price, and you can see, rallied beyond that target. We had a very, very massive rally, and we formed this rising wedge pattern. That is a bearish bias pattern, and finally, you can see that we have broken down the support of this next rising wedge pattern. Now, here we have found a very nice support. You can see that previously, here it was breaking a support here at $5.45. You can see we had a bounce here, and previously for several days, you can see here, it was breaking as a resistance, here as a support. And now, after this breakdown, you can see first price line tested this support of $5 that had been previously breaking as support. And now, again, it is moved above then this resistance level that is now again breaking as a support of $5.45. And now there is a probability that this 100 simple moving average may move up and provide another support. So we will have two support levels here that is a 100 simple moving average, and the next support will be this one at $5.45. By the way, in order to continue this rally that was begun here to the upside, we need to break out these two major resistance levels. One is at $6.45, and after that, it can immediately move up to the next resistance of $7.30. That is the highest resistance so far for TIA. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of $7.30, then it can be breaking after breaking out. It can be flipped into a strong and long-term support for the price, and in this rally to the upside can be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.